So this card is very useful, and as soon as you land in Canada, and if you're coming to the Toronto region, in the last 8 years, I have not paid for a single movie ticket. Okay, without giving any spoilers, I'll only say one thing, that if you are a Marvel Universe fan, then this movie will
just
not...
have to pay once and you can get your drink refilled as many times as you
So yeah,
want.
unlimited
So I
refills
really
on
like
drinks.
that.
What's up YouTube? It's Shivansh here. So today Samriddhi and I are going to watch Spider-Man No Way Home. And I think we're already a little late to watch the movie because my brother has already watched it. Most of our friends have already watched it. But today is the day and we are finally going to watch it. We're super excited. And the best part is that the movie tickets for 2 people for this specific movie will cost around $35, but we are going to watch this movie for free. And to know how, keep watching this video. Quickly hit the subscribe button and the bell icon if you haven't already, and let's go. So today we'll be taking the local bus here in Oakville and we'll be using our Presto card. So if you are a new immigrant or an international student who's planning to come to Canada, especially in the Toronto area or in the GTA region, then you should definitely get a Presto card because you can use this card on your GO train or the GO bus, which is the intercity train or the intercity bus. And you can also use the same card for your local transit system. So let's say if you're in Brampton or Mississauga or any other city in GTA, then you can still use your Presto card to take the local bus. And if you live in Toronto, then you can use the same card to pay for your bus, train, subway, streetcar, basically all types of transportation systems in GTA. So this card is very useful, and as soon as you land in Canada, and if you're coming to the Toronto region or the Toronto area, then this card is a must. You can easily get this card from your local Shoppers Drug Mart or your local GO station, and it costs around $10. And it is very convenient because you can use it anywhere and you can easily recharge it using the Presto app on the App Store. And in addition to being convenient, it is also cheaper to use your Presto card because, for example, in Oakville, if you take a local bus, then the cost of one ticket is around $4. But if you use your Presto card, then it's around $3.50 or $3.25. So that's a saving of 50 cents or 75 cents, and it definitely adds up in the long run. So finally, we are here at Cineplex. So this is Samriddhi's second time watching a movie in a theatre in Canada. So last time we watched Akshay Kumar, Suryavanshi. Yeah. So Samriddhi, how was your experience of watching a movie in a theatre in Canada?
It was really great actually. I had a lot of fun. So everybody was clapping and everybody was hooting. So I like the spirit really.
Yeah, I think it was a very different sort of experience, right? Like you could see all the Indian people coming together and cheering for the heroes, and clapping and hooting, and
the whole atmosphere and the spirit, it was like so Bollywood.
Yeah, the whole atmosphere was really cheerful, and everybody was celebrating. So it's a different kind of a feeling to watch a Bollywood movie or a Hindi movie or even a Punjabi movie or any movie for that matter in Canada.
Also, one more thing which I like is that you have this unlimited amount of refills that you can get for your drink. Like you just have to pay once and you can get your drink refilled as many times as you want.
Unlimited refills on drinks.
That.
Yeah,
I
think
like that.
Yeah, they should have that in India as well, right? Like,
yeah, I mean, it would be so good,
and people would really love it.
Like for a promotional thing, they can do it because the theaters have been closed for so long.
Oh yeah.
And yeah, for people like us, I mean, I really like the theater experience rather than watching the movie at home or something like that.
the experience of watching a movie in a theater is completely different from like watching it on Netflix or something. Like,
Yeah.
sure, Netflix is fine. I mean, it's good. It's convenient. You can sit on your couch and watch it. I think you brought up a really good point. If PVR or any of the cinemas in India, they want to restart their business, I think they can start giving out free drinks, or not even free drinks, like unlimited number of refills on their drinks as a promotional activity. I think that would really encourage people to come to the theaters and watch it.
Yeah.
So Samriddhi, are you going to get a popcorn or something?
I think it's closed right now because of the new
What?
variant.
Oh yeah, I think
the food section is closed right now, but I'm not sure. I read it somewhere, but I'm not sure. I
I
don't
guess
know, maybe it's
let's go
open
in and
now.
check it out and we'll get to know better. But yeah. So we are finally at Cineplex, just made it in time. They asked for our proof of vaccination, so the first and the second dose, and also for our ID proof. And we had already purchased the tickets online, so we were good with that. And Cineplex is surprisingly empty today, so I don't know what's up.
I think there's still some time. Maybe the people will join in later. I mean, you never know.
Yeah, but I think like it's a blockbuster movie, and even then it's completely empty. It could also be because of the new COVID restrictions, because of the new
Yeah.
variant. Yeah, even the outtakes and the food and drinks were all closed, so we could not get anything. So Samriddhi was right basically, and yeah, it's a very. It seems like we're back to the lockdown phase, and like
Because the cases are increasing.
the
not
cases are
zero.
increasing, the restrictions have also increased, but it seems like everything's empty, everything's dead. But yeah, let's see. It is what it is. And now we're going to the auditorium. Which auditorium is it, Samriddhi?
It is 15.
Okay, so we're going to auditorium 15, and
that way.
yeah, and let's watch Spider-Man. So I know you guys must be wondering, how did we even manage to watch Spider-Man for free in Canada? And in fact, in the last 8 years, I have not paid for a single movie ticket in Canada. And the reason for that is this Scene card. So Scotiabank has a Scene program where you can get a debit card or a Scene credit card, and if you spend your money using your Scene card, then you will get points in exchange, and you can use those points to watch free movies in Canada at a Cineplex theater. That sounds amazing, right? And not just free movies, you can also use your Scene points to get free food at a number of restaurants including Kelsey's, Harvey's, Montana's, Swiss Chalet, and many more. So there are a number of benefits of getting a Scene card, and if you are a movie buff like me, then you should definitely get a Scene card when you come to Canada. You'll get free movies and free food, and that's an awesome deal. So we just finished the movie and got out of the theater, and I can only say one thing, that the movie was just amazing. How was your experience, Samriddhi? How did you feel?
It's really good. I
Yeah?
mean, yeah, no spoilers, but it's really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, some scenes were emotional
Yeah.
that way, but yeah, it's a really good movie. Always a delight to watch a Spider-Man movie.
Yeah, just a Marvel movie in
Yeah,
general, I guess,
in
right? And
general,
I think in this movie they actually gave you like something wholesome, you know? They gave
The
you
story is good. Everything is good. Like the acting is good.
Yeah, but like they actually okay, without giving any spoilers, I'll only say one thing, that if you are a Spider-Verse fan or a Spider-Man fan or a Marvel Universe fan, then this movie will not disappoint you, and you should definitely check it out. And yeah,
Yeah.
I think
It's really good.
I think you'll really love it. All right, so what's the plan now, Samriddhi?
So there are a few dinner options available. I'm not going to cook the dinner now.
Yeah, we're not going to cook anything at home today.
Yeah.
There are a number of restaurants around here in Winston Churchill, in Oakville. It's a pretty good plaza.
Yeah, it's a really good one. This is my second time here.
Yeah.
And yeah, I mean, I think we can try pizza.
Yeah, I think we'll try Boston Pizza. If you want to watch some pictures of what we are going to eat at Boston Pizza and how our night went, you should definitely follow me on Instagram at Shivan Singla119, and you'll get some more fun content once in a while and a sneak peek into our lives. So I guess we'll just end the vlog here, and Merry Christmas to everyone, Happy Holidays, and if you need a good movie suggestion, then definitely check out Spider-Man, you'll not be disappointed. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, and follow me on Instagram if you have any questions about studying and working in Canada. I'll be happy to chat with you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Merry Christmas. Bye.